Welcome to this tutorial video of class 3. Today we are going to discuss chapter 6. As you can see, name of the chapter is file management. Today's topics are concept of file and folder, means what is a file, what is a folder. Number 2, Windows Explorer. Number 3, creating a file and folders, how to create a file, how to create a folder. And the fourth topic is saving a file, steps to save a file. So let's start with the first topic, that is concept of a file, means what is a file. Here in your book chapter number 6, a very good example is given to understand the files. Have you ever noticed how your mother organizes the kitchen? She keeps different things like pulses, spices, snacks, dry fruits, etc. separately in different containers. Then she labels these containers and stores the related containers in separate cabinets. In this way, your mother keeps them arranged, in a proper order so that she can find them easily whenever required. Likewise, in a computer, the information is stored in a file where each file is characterized by a unique file name that gives an idea about its contents. Now, what is the meaning? What is a file? File means whatever the information you are storing in the computer. So, computer stores your information in the form of files. A file is a common storage unit of computer. Information is stored in the computer in the form of files. Whatever you are saving, whatever you are storing in your computer, it gets stored in the form of files. Files may be stored in different formats. For example, audio file, video file, text files, image files, etc. So, whatever the information you are storing in your computer, those informations are stored in the form of files, right? All the related files are then stored in a folder, which is like a cabinet. Now, what is a folder? All the files can be stored in a cabinet which is known as folder. What does it mean? It means a folder is used like a cabinet or a container where you can keep your files as well as folders also. But you have to remember that if you are keeping any folder inside a folder, then inside folder will be known as subfolder. So what is file and what is folder? I think it is clear. Again I repeat, information is stored in a computer in the form of files. Now folders are used like cabinets or container where files and folders are kept in an organized manner, right? Files are given a name which is called file name, as well as a folder is also given a name which is called folder's name, right? Now let's go to the next topic, that is Windows Explorer. What is Windows Explorer? Windows Explorer is a file manager application that provides detailed information about files, folders and drives. It enables you to access, edit, manage and organize your files and folders. You can use it to view, create, delete, copy, moving, renaming and search the files and folders. So this is the use of Windows Explorer, right? So Windows Explorer is used like a file manager, of your computer, where you can do many things like searching a file folder, copying file folder, moving file folder, etc. Now, how to create a folder? To create a folder, you have to follow certain steps. Which are the steps? Let's see. For example, suppose you want to create a folder on the desktop. So, to do this, you have to follow these steps. Number 1 is right click on the blank area of the desktop. Number 2, place your pointer on the new option. a list of sub options appears. From there you have to click on folder option. Again I repeat, right click on the blank area of the desktop, move to the new option, then click folder option, right? Your new folder will be created on the desktop. Okay, just type a name for the folder at the cursor position and press the enter key, right? When your new folder will be created, file name will be highlighted. Okay, the temporary name will be new folder. You just type a new name and press enter key. A folder is created, you can see. Now, you can also create a folder inside a drive or any other folder by using Windows Explorer. How to do and how can you do that? Open Windows Explorer by clicking on the Start button, All Programs, Accessories and Windows Explorer. Okay, again I repeat the steps. Click Start button, click All Programs, click Accessories and click Windows Explorer. Or simply double click on the computer icon on the desktop. If you double click on the computer icon, Windows Explorer will be opened. Right. Now select a drive. For example, say D drive. How to select? Just double click on the D drive. Okay. Now after opening the D drive, what you have to do? Click new folder present on the toolbar. Okay, on the top of side you can see new folder is already showing here. I can show you here. If you see here, this is Windows Explorer. Okay, if you open Windows Explorer, then new folder here already written. You have to click here. So new folder will be created. Right? This is the way to create a new folder. Now creating a file. How to create a file? The most common method to create a file is by using an application software such as Microsoft Word, Notepad, Paint, etc. What does it mean? It means you have to just open the program related to your file. What type of file you want to create? For example, if you want to create a document file, a text file, so you have to open that type of software. For example, you can open Microsoft Word, you can open Microsoft Notepad, WordPad, etc. to create a document file, text file. After opening that program, just type your text and save it. Your text file will be created in your computer. If you want to create an image file, a drawing file, just open Paint program or Text Paint program. You draw your drawing and save it. An image file will be created. So the most common method to create a file is open the related software and do your work and save it. Your file will be created. Now how to save your file? How to save? Steps are same what you have done in class 2. Select File tab, click Save option. After saving, clicking Save option or Save As option, the Save As window will come here like this. You can see this is Save As window. You have to type a file name in the file name box here and you have to click Save button. Okay, it is same what you have gone through in the previous class. Okay, just select File tab, click Save option or Save As option. The Save As dialog box window will come. Here you have to type a file name in the file name box, then click Save button. Your file will be saved. Now how to open an old file, okay, or folder? For that, just open Windows Explorer, means double click the computer program or go through the steps what we have already discussed, like click Start button, click All Programs, click Accessories and click Windows Explorer. After clicking Windows Explorer, after opening Windows Explorer, select the specific drive from where you want to choose your file or folder. Then double click the file or folder you want to open. It will be opened in front of you. Right. Now the last topic is renaming a file or folder. What we have not written here, but it is given in your book. How to rename? To rename a file or folder, just right click over the file or folder you want to rename. Select the rename option from the shortcut menu. the file or folder will be highlighted. File or folder name will be highlighted. Now you can type the new name for your file or folder. I am going to show you, which is given on page number 71. See, these are the steps. You can see how to rename. Just right click on the file or folder. When you right click, this shortcut menu will appear. From there you have to click rename option. When you click rename option, the file name will be highlighted. Then you type a new name for your file or folder. Then press enter key. Your file or folder will be renamed. Right? Now let's take a quick recap about this chapter. In a computer, the information is stored in a file where each file is characterized by a unique name, which is called file name, that gives an idea about its contents. Next is folder. What is folder? Folder is a collection of relevant files stored together or some storage devices. It is used like a cabinet or a container. We cannot create two folders with the same name at the same location. You have to remember this. You cannot create two folders with the same name at the same location. A folder within a folder is called a subfolder. Windows Explorer is a file manager application that provides detailed information about files, folders and drives. The most common method to create a file is by using an application software such as Microsoft Word, Notepad, Paint, etc. Saving a file enables you to access it anytime when needed. Renaming means to change the existing name of a file or folder. So this is the content of this chapter. Here we have come to the end of this chapter. Thank you for watching. Go through the chapter, practice it nicely. Thank you. Take care.